What's going on, guys? It's Jay from Dirty Boy Tools, and I have here some micro tools that I'm going to potentially use in an Altoids tin build kit. So I'm going to start from left to right, and I'm considering using these tools, but that doesn't mean I'm going to use all of them. So starting right here, I have a multi-tool lockpick. This is probably the only multi-tool that I've ever had on my channel. Basically, it has the torsion wrench you need for locking, picking a lock rather, and it has a variety of different picks. You got a rake in there, you got a diamond, you got a regular single pick in there. Nothing too crazy, but everything you need. I'm not a skilled lock picker myself, but there are situations that you may need to have it. You can lock it into place and use the pick accordingly with the wrench. And hopefully you'll have success, and hopefully you'll be using this for a good reason. Next up, I have a nail clipper from a company called Mr. Green. Came with a little pouch right here. I don't think I'll be using the pouch, but it is nice to have that you can attach it to your keychain if you so desire. Basically, all I have to do to activate this is flip that, and this comes out, and now I can clip away. And when I want to put it back, I just flip it back over. There is a file here, but I just flip it back over and it's back to normal. Over here I have a 711L mini ratchet. If I pair it with my Swan Lake bit holder, I get a decent sized 1/4 inch drive ratchet, and I have leverage so that I can use the thumb wheel accordingly. Next up, I got this pair of hemostats. I don't intend to use this for its original purpose, which is medical use. My goal is to see if I can replace a pair of needle nose pliers with these hemostats, because I just simply couldn't find a pair of pliers small enough to fit into that build. Here we have a screw pop utility knife. Just pop this lever out, pull the razor up, pop it back in. Now the razor is locked into place fairly securely, and I can cut away and use it for what I need. Of course, I bring it back up and pull the razor back to sheath it. It also has a bottle opener on it, which I don't think I really have use for, and it has a magnet on it, so that can definitely come in handy in different situations. Last up, I have this pair of Bon Fu wire cutters. I don't see them being sold anymore on Amazon. When I click the link that I used to buy it originally, they replaced it with a pair of 6-inch wire cutters, and they are good wire cutters, but having a small pair like this can be useful for small kit builds. Although, like any small micro tool, you do lack leverage using it, so it won't be as strong. So my plan for this kit, when I get it together, is probably going to have the nail clipper, most likely the hemostats, and of course the ratchet with some bits. I am considering taking the pick out and the wire cutters out because I think I'll have some other type of scissor mechanism to use as a wire cutter, or I can just use a utility knife, but we will see. I have some more tools coming in, so I'll keep you guys posted on what I have for my micro toolkit build.